So as y'all can tell, I'm back with another vlog, okay? I told y'all I was gonna be coming hard and I'm really trying, and hopefully y'all can bear with me. But today we are gonna be going furniture shopping. As y'all can tell, I still don't have a refrigerator yet, so that's one thing that we're gonna be going to look for today. And the only reason I really haven't just purchased one yet, because y'all know Black Friday is right around the corner and Cyber Monday, okay? And your girl still trying to be cheap and find a deal, because the refrigerator that I want, y'all, that refrigerator is priced at $3,000. So hopefully I can find a deal today. I have already been looking online, and I noticed in store, some of the stores have already started to do Black Friday deals. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna be going around looking for furniture. I still don't have a couch yet, because the color theme that I really want, y'all, I want it to be like a gold and, you know, nude color, or like a, I don't know. We still trying to process how I want everything done. So yeah, I'm just gonna take y'all around with me today to a few stores like Miskelly's, Home Depot. No telling what kind of stores Ray end up at, okay? But y'all, it is currently 11:47. I said I was gonna start my day at like 8 or 9 a.m., but however, that did not happen, okay? Your girl had a night last night. But anywho, y'all, I will see y'all in the next clip, and no telling where I will be. So yeah, until y'all see me, y'all will see me. Okay, basics, we have made it to Miskelly, and we finna just look around. Okay, y'all, so the couch that I am looking for, I do not see in here. But don't get me wrong, Miskelly's got some cute furniture. Like, now this one is T, y'all. Look at this one. This is so freaking cute. Ooh. Y'all think I look good sitting on this couch? Let me know, because I know I do. What y'all think? Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think about this couch. I think it's really cute. Y'all can see, I can see this in my living room. I think I look real good on this couch. But yeah, y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think, because baby, let me go and take a picture of that one right now, because this one most definitely is T. Yeah, so unfortunately I see one couch that I like in here. I don't know, but we finna go to some more stores and look around. I know they got a Miskelly's clearance room, so I'm finna go over to the next building to see if I can see something over there. If not, I might just order one, but I know I'm still gonna go look for a refrigerator. I'll show y'all the one that I was talking about when I first came in. It was this one, y'all. It is two separate pieces. As y'all can see, it is not a sectional. And I really want a sectional, and it's really short now that I came back to look at it. Like that one over there is a little taller. I kind of want a tall couch. I don't want nothing too low to the ground. But yeah, so we're going to head on over to the clearance part of Miskelly's and see what they got over there. So, see y'all when we get there. Peace. Okay, y'all, so we have made it over to the second part of Miskelly's. This is their clearance store. So I'm going to go in there and see what I see. I'm pretty sure I'm probably not going to find what I'm looking for, but it's always good to go and look. So, yeah, I'm going to head in there and I'm going to look and see what they got. I already tell y'all, I'm not going to find nothing in here that I like. It's just so bland. It's so bland and plain. I'm about to make a U-turn. I'm about to turn around, y'all. So I'm trying to be grateful and find a couch today, but I'm not trying to rush it. This one is cute, but it's something about it. It just seems so small, and it's priced at $1,100. So really still $1,200, but I don't know. What y'all think? It's small to me. I want a big sectional. When I say like I want a huge sectional, I want something big. But this is cute. I'll probably change up some of the pillows. I'll probably change up some of the pillows on it, but I don't know. I'm pricing the couch that I saw in Miskelly's. He's gonna call me back because we didn't get a price on it. Finally made it to Ashley's home store, and I've already kind of peeked through the window, and I think I kind of see something that I like. So we finna go in here and see what their price tag looking like, okay? I'm eyeing this one right over here. So I seen one when I first came in the door. I'm about to look on their website and do a price check. I got my little price thing going on for every store that I've been going to, okay? So we about to see what they got going, okay? And they having a Black Friday sale right now, y'all. So I told y'all, I'm all about discounts, baby. All about discounts. Okay, hey besties, we have made it to Best Buy, y'all. Okay, so looking at the furniture in Ashley's, baby, Ashley's is a no-go. I think my mind is still set on Miskelly's. The first furniture piece I saw, Miskelly's, like the couch is so pretty, y'all. So I think my best bet is just gonna be to go with Miskelly's and call it a day. Yeah. After that, y'all, your girl gonna have to go get her a bite to eat because I am hungry, and it is going on what time? 2. Oh my gosh, I freaking see the refrigerator that I want. Do y'all see it? In person, the refrigerator is really, really small. I thought it would be bigger than that, but y'all, it's actually small, okay? Yeah, so this is me buying. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think. The refrigerator is small. I'm gonna go look around to see what else I see, to see if they have any more touchscreens. And this one is by Samsung. And I think LG got a touchscreen one too, if I'm not mistaken. Or they might just have the one that you can see through. And this one is priced at $24. Make sure y'all go subscribe. Okay, y'all, so he is pricing the refrigerator right now to see if they have it in black. If they don't have it in black, I will be perfectly fine with the stainless steel. But
so they don't have that exact model in black. The only one they would have would be
okay, besties, your girl is back. So I did find a refrigerator. They do have 2 different types of touchscreen refrigerators in here, y'all. My eyes was really on that first one, but I know your girl just getting settled in, so I might go with the one that I saw second. But I am about to head to Lowe so I can see what they have over there. Okay, so right now I'm gonna see if they got this refrigerator in black, and if they have this refrigerator in black, I'm gonna get it because all my appliances right now are black. So yeah, we're gonna see what Lowe's got, and I will see y'all when we get to Lowe's. Okay, you guys, I have made it to Lowe's. I'm about to go in here and see what their refrigerators are priced at. I might stop at Home Depot, I might not, because I kind of peeped online to see before I drive all the way back on the other side of town. The refrigerator at Home Depot is kind of priced a little higher than Best Buy. So right now, Best Buy is looking like my best option. But like I said, we at Lowe's right now, so we're going to go in here and see what kind of sale they got going on. Because hopefully, I can get my refrigerator, y'all. I need one. Like, I don't waste my time coming to Lowe's because I don't see any touchscreens in stock at all. Like, it's just the regular, like, light up ones that you tap and you can see what's through the refrigerator. But they have no touchscreens in here at all, y'all. And that's the only thing I'm on the hunt for. And like I said, I looked online and I saw some touchscreens online, but in store right now, it doesn't look like they have any in stock. So we took a quick break and we came over to the park because I have to record some content for these smart glasses that I got off of TikTok, y'all. So they do all types of things. They talk to you, they record. They're like the Ray-Bans. They have AI recognition on them. They came with like different lens to where I can change out. So yeah, I think these are really cute because baby, for my next vacation, I'm most definitely gonna have these. And the quality on them, y'all, they are perfect. Like, yeah, you wouldn't even know I'm recording you if you wasn't paying attention, like talking about. But yes, these are supposed to be just like the Ray-Bans. But I'm gonna record some content for this, then I'm gonna go get something to eat because where we're trying to eat at, they don't open up until 5. So we're gonna wait, kill some time. I'm gonna go over there and get me some Kona ice in a minute. Smoothies, but Blessings. Ooh. Y'all, this is bussin'. Kona Ice did something with this one, and it's a tropical flavor. Smoothie is better than this. But if y'all ain't tried the Kona Ice smoothie, y'all need to try one. Y'all, I had fixed my plate up with all that food and didn't even eat it. Y'all, now I got me some fruit, and I got a scoop of strawberry ice cream. Okay, hey besties, as y'all can see, I am back. Y'all, I am so tired. Today has drained me. I have been ripping and running all day today. But y'all, good thing is the refrigerator has been ordered, so I'm happy I did go in the store to see which refrigerator that I really, really liked. I came across 2 different kind of touchscreen refrigerators. I did not get the one that I just want because I really heard so many bad reviews on it, and plus right now, I'm not trying to overdo anything. So I still got a touchscreen refrigerator. I'm just going to be grateful for that. I'm going to hold out on the couch probably another week or 2. I don't want to rush things and make it seem like I'm just moving so freaking fast because I don't want to get something I don't like and I'll be ready to change it within like the next week or 2. So yeah, other than that, y'all, today I had a pretty good Saturday. I really didn't do too much, like I said, but go around to a bunch of freaking stores, got me something to eat, as y'all can tell. So yeah, I don't know when y'all will be hearing from me, probably one day next week. I don't know, but hey, no telling what your girl Ray will be doing. So yeah, y'all, that's all for this vlog. I just wanted to get on here and tell y'all, continue to subscribe to my channel, please. I thank y'all so much for the support. And your girl finna go in here, she finna wind down, and I'm finna go get in the shower and get on this new mattress, babes, and probably just edit a few videos and stuff like that. And I'm just gonna vibe out for the rest of this Saturday night, okay? It is currently 9:55. And like I said, I'm tired. I need to work on my closet. But that's a whole nother story, y'all. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoy this vlog. And thank y'all for being a part of Ray's World. And I love y'all. And make sure y'all hit that subscribe button down below. And until next time, you guys, peace.